Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Adults take 1 tablet daily with food and a glass, 8 Oz of water. Taking Centrum with a meal improves absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and reduces stomach upset. Do not exceed 1 tablet daily unless a provider instructs otherwise. Higher intake can increase risk of nutrient excess for iron, vitamin A, or zinc. Take the tablet at any time of day, but consistency aids absorption and routine. If you miss a dose, skip it and resume your regular schedule. Do not double the next dose. Swallow tablets whole. Do not chew, crush, or break the tablet because coating controls release and taste. If you have trouble swallowing, take with a full glass of water or speak to a pharmacist about alternate forms like chewables or liquid. Store at room temperature between 20 degrees C and 25 degrees C, 68 degrees F and 77 degrees F, away from direct sunlight. Keep bottles tightly closed, away from heat, moisture, and children. Discard expired tablets and do not use if the seal is broken or the tablet appearance. Avoid taking Centrum at the same time as iron supplements or antacids with aluminum or magnesium. Separate doses by 2 to 4 hours to prevent absorption issues. Pregnant or nursing people should consult their provider before using Centrum products, since prenatal needs may differ and excess vitamin A is a concern. If you take prescription medications like levothyroxine, bisphosphonates, or certain antibiotics, check interactions with your pharmacist. Common side effects include mild stomach upset, nausea, or altered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.